Halloween front porch from charming to bone-chilling. These Halloween porch decor ideas will get you in the mood for a festive makeover. We're sharing our favorite front porch Halloween decorations, including DIY wreaths, carved pumpkins, and more. 1. Skeleton chandelier. With a few plastic bones, zip ties, and some paint, you can transform a secondhand light fixture into this funky chandelier. 2. DIY spiderweb. Giant spiderwebs instantly give a charming front porch a haunted house look. Made with braided yarn, these large webs can be reused year after year. Stretch spiderwebbing along the railing. 3. Madam Halloween. You can use a mask with an attached black veil and tulle cape to make her elegant yet mysterious. 4. Gant house spiders. This Halloween, skip the seasonal standards like pumpkins and scarecrows and opt for something unconventional to give trick-or-treaters and passers-by a fright. 5. Bat door decorations. It's easy to create this frightfully spooky front door display. Trim a roll of solid wrapping paper to fit your door. Cut out bat silhouettes from black contact paper. Attach bats to the wrapping paper as desired and hang the paper on your front door. 6. Farmhouse Halloween porch. Create a charming fall front porch display with wooden planters and baskets filled with decorative grasses and mums. Use hay bales to hold pumpkins and add a farm fresh feel. 7. Over the moon wreath. Cut plywood or foam board into the shape of a crescent moon for this vintage-inspired Halloween wreath. 8. Spiders plus lace. Who knew spooky could look so stylish? This graphic door decoration from Heritage Lace spins a tangled web on your front porch. 9. Scary Halloween candles. Light up your front porch with these easy-to-make drippy candles made from pool noodles. 10. Billowing creepy drapes. Turn your front porch into a ghoulish entry with tattered cheesecloth draperies. For an aged look, soak cheesecloth in a bucket of tea overnight. 11. Bewitching welcome. He pieced to resistance? A sea of pointed black, witch hats that appear to magically float in midair. 12. Headless host. Why lose your head over Halloween decorating when an ill-fated horseman lost is in your stead? Stir up your neighborhood with a spooky seasonal display. 13. Skulls plus pink roses. Add a touch of dramatic elegance to your fall decor with this easy-to-make skull planter with dusty pink roses, turquoise pumpkins, and billowy black florals. 14. Ghost lights. When the sun goes down, turn up the scare factor on your front porch. Strands of orange lights and a large illuminated paper lantern create an eerie night sky feel. Lighted ghosts hang from above to make this front porch spooktacular. 15. Ghostly front porch. Decorate a thick rope with grapevine twig balls and a strand of outdoor lights to create a draped Halloween porch light garland. Create ghosts by putting white gauze over a few of the twig balls and add black felt circles for eyes. Hang your ghosts with fishing line from the porch ceiling. Dress up the steps with tall lanterns, potted cabbage, baskets. Thanks so much for joining me on this spooky adventure to create the ultimate Halloween front porch. I hope these ideas inspire you to bring a little more fright and fun to your home this season. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed these hauntingly good ideas, and make sure to subscribe for more seasonal decorating inspiration. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part of the porch was and how you're planning to decorate your own space. Have a safe, spooky, and spectacular Halloween. See you in the next video.